When it's time to live in a dynamic downtown filled with arts, activities, fine dining, shopping, and thoroughbred racing, or the Adirondack Park, abundant with lakes, hiking trails, festivals, and restaurants, it's time to call Julie & Co. Realty, your hometown brokerage with local experts. We will provide the insider's advantage to what's available in Saratoga Springs, the Capital Region, and the Adirondack Park.